Hello everyone, I'm Shamli and I welcome you all to this new video of Simply Learn on Top 10 Cloud Certificates of 2022. The cloud is much more than just a reliable storage solution. The year 2021, like the year before, proved to be a watershed event for cloud computing. It gave businesses more freedom to operate in the face of COVID-19. Cloud computing, according to IT experts, will be at the forefront of all technologies used to address key businesses concerns in the coming years. Cloud computing has generated more anticipation, excitement, and investment than any other IT area in the last decade. According to IDC, the cloud will increase at a rate of 22% next year, with a market value of $277 billion. As a result, there will surely be a significant demand for cloud professionals. Therefore, a right certification in cloud computing can help you earn a handsome salary of $145,000 to $227,000 in the United States and close to 16 lakh to 24 lakh rupees in India. So let's have a look at the top 10 certification in cloud computing. The first one is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is a set of technical certifications offered by Amazon Web Services for beginners and professionals working in enterprise architecture and solutions architecture. This certificate aids in the identification and development of personnel with crucial capabilities for cloud implementation. AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification verifies your competence to build and deploy distributed systems on AWS. So this certification is for persons who can do solution architecture, such as deploying and securing web applications, and who have worked with AWS services for at least a year. And its difficulty level is easy. Skills required for this certification is understanding of specific programming or scripting languages like Java, Python, C#, and many other programming languages available. Data storage fundamentals, networking, AWS service selection, cloud-specific patterns, and technologies. Moving on, here are a few certification details you will need to proceed with its examination. Cost of examination is $150 USD, and the average annual salary is $130,883. The duration of this examination is 130 minutes, with number of questions 65. You have multiple choice and multiple response questions, and the passing score is 70%. And the renewal time of the certification is 2 years. The companies hiring are Amazon, IBM, Capgemini, Mindtree, and IQVIA. These are the top companies that hire. Second is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification is a foundational level test designed for people who can successfully show an overall understanding of the AWS cloud according to Amazon. This exam verifies a candidate's understanding of essential cloud infrastructure and architectural concepts, as well as key AWS services. The certification provides an overview of AWS key services, as well as security and network. So this is the ideal cloud certification for beginners or anyone interested in learning more about cloud computing and the AWS cloud platform. So the difficulty level is easy. The skills required for this certification is oversight on creating architecture for AWS platform, ability to deploy AWS solutions and applications, building cloud solutions, developing plans for the adoption of cloud solutions, management and monitoring of cloud platforms. Moving on, here are a few certification details you will need to proceed with this examination. The cost of examination is $100 USD. Average annual salary is $113,932. Examination duration is 90 minutes. Number of questions is 65. Types of questions are multiple choice and multiple response question. Passing score 70%. And again, the renewal time for the certification is 2 years. And the famous company hiring are Amazon, NetApp, Accenture, Deloitte, and Soliel LLC. Moving on, third is AWS Certified Developer Associate. AWS Certified Developer Associate is an Amazon Web Service examination that measures a person's ability to successfully demonstrate, deploying, and maintaining applications on the AWS platform. This is the ideal cloud certification for programmers and software developers interested in building cloud-native applications, and the difficulty level is intermediate. Skills required for these certifications are: use the AWS services, APIs, CLI, and software development kits to write applications, identify key features of AWS services, understand the AWS shared responsibility model, use a continuous integration of continuous delivery pipeline to deploy application on AWS, and use and interact with AWS services. So here are the few certification details. Cost of examination is $150 USD. Average annual salary is $130,272. Exam duration is 130 minutes. Number of questions is 65. Type of questions: multiple choice and multiple response questions. The passing score is 70%. Renewal time is 2 years. And the companies hiring are Amazon, IBM, Capgemini, TCS, and Oracle. Fourth is AWS Certified System Operation Administrator Associate. The AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate certification is designed to demonstrate technical skills for system administrators in cloud operations jobs. This certificate assists organizations in identifying and developing personnel with crucial abilities for cloud implementation. The ability to develop, manage, and operate workloads on AWS is demonstrated by earning this certification. This associate certification is for professionals who have at least 1 year of experience with AWS deployment, management, and operations. It teaches you how to identify the right service for your needs, and the difficulty level is intermediate. So these are the skills required for the certification: understanding of AWS tenets, hands-on experience with the AWS CLI and SDKs tools, understanding of network technologies, understanding of security concepts with hands-on experience in implementing security controls and compliance requirements, understanding of virtualization technology. Moving on, here are a few important details related to this certification. So cost of examination is $150 USD. Average annual salary is $111,966. The duration of examination is 130 minutes and the number of questions is 65, which are multiple choice and multiple response questions with passing score of 70% and renewal time of 2 years. And here are the companies hiring: Amazon, IBM, Capgemini, TCS, and Oracle. Fifth is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. Azure Fundamental certifications allows you to demonstrate your understanding of cloud concepts, Azure services, Azure workloads, Azure security and privacy, and Azure pricing and support. The Azure Foundation certification intended for people who already have a basic understanding of cloud services. It will explain you cloud concepts as well as how to use them, and the difficulty level is easy. Skills required for this certification is the different cloud computing concepts, main Azure services, describing Azure security, privacy, compliance, and trust, Azure pricing and support. And here are a few certification details required for the certification. Cost of examination is $99 USD, which can vary. Average annual salary is $110,000. The duration of this examination is 85 minutes and the number of questions varies between 40 to 60. And the type of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions. The passing score for this examination is 70% and the renewal time is 6 months. And the top companies hiring are Microsoft, Dell, Accenture, and Cognizant. Sixth is Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate. An Azure administrator is in charge of deploying, monitoring, and managing Microsoft Azure solutions, which includes significant compute, storage, network, and security services. By earning this certification, you will be able to demonstrate that you can deploy and manage Azure compute resources. This certificate will prepare you to develop, administer, and monitor cloud services such as storage, security, and virtual environments, among other things, and the difficulty level is intermediate. So the skills needed for this certification is main Azure services, describing Azure security, private, and compliance and trust, knowledge of Azure pricing and support, and knowledge of different cloud computing concepts. And here are the further important details needed for the certification. Cost of examination is $165 USD. Average annual salary is $107,683. Exam duration is 120 minutes with number of questions varying between 40 to 60. And the type of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions with the passing score of 70%. Renewal time is 6 months and the top companies hiring are Microsoft, Accenture, TCS, and Yahoo. Seventh is Google Associate Cloud Engineer. An associate cloud engineer delivers and protects applications and infrastructure, oversees various projects, operations, and maintains corporate solutions to ensure that they fulfill performance goals. This person has worked with both public clouds and on-premises systems. For programmers, developers, and software engineers, this is the greatest Google Cloud certification. Its holder will be responsible for deploying web applications in the cloud, as well as monitoring and managing operations, and the difficulty level is intermediate. Here are some important skills required for you to excel this certification. Basic understanding of Google Cloud platforms, products, and services, and basic understanding of cloud concepts such as virtual machines, containers, and networking. And these are the few important certification details that you need to take care of. Cost of examination is $125 USD with average annual salary of $109,415. Exam duration is 120 minutes with number of questions 50. And the type of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions with the passing score of 70%. And the renewal time is 2 years. And the top companies hiring are Google, Goldman Sachs. Here comes the eighth one, that is Microsoft Certified Azure Solution Architecture Expert. To implement solutions, an Azure Solution Architect work with cloud administrators, cloud DBAs, and clients. This credential displays the ability to provide advice to stakeholders and translate business requirements into safe, scalable, and dependable solutions. This certificate is for experienced programmers, developers, and DevOps engineers who wish to become Azure professionals. This is the ideal cloud certification, and the difficulty level is hard. And these are the skills required for this advanced certification: deploying and configuring infrastructure, implementing workloads and security, creating and deploying apps, implementing authentication and securing data, developing for the cloud and for the Azure storage. And these are the details you need to remember. Cost of examination, $165 USD. Average annual salary, $135,000 with exam duration of 150 minutes and number of questions varies between 40 to 60. Type of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions with a passing score of 70%. And the renewal time is 6 months. And the companies hiring are IBM, Microsoft, Infosys, and Medline. Coming to the ninth one is Google Professional Cloud Architect. A Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect means you demonstrate the ability to design and plan a cloud solution architecture, manage and provision the cloud solution infrastructure, design for security and compliance. The Professional Cloud Architect exam measures your abilities to design and plan a cloud solution architecture, manage and provision cloud solution infrastructure, and design for security and compliance. This is the ideal Google Cloud certification for experienced IT professionals interested in becoming solution architects for Google Cloud technologies such as Bigtable, BigQuery, and other GCP platform services. And the difficulty level is hard. And these are the skills you need to focus on. Proficiency with command line, Linux operating system, and system operations, and 3+ years of industry experience. And here are the further details you need to take care of. Cost of examination is $200 with average annual salary of $140,000. The examination duration is 120 minutes with number of questions 40. The type of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions with a passing score of 70%. And the renewal time is 2 years. And the companies hiring are Google and Goldman Sachs. And here comes the last but not the least, 10th certification, that is AWS Architect Professional. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional exam verifies advanced technical knowledge and experience in designing distributed applications and systems on the Amazon Web Services platform. This certification aids in the identification and development of personnel with crucial capabilities for cloud implementation. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect credential verifies your ability to develop, implement, and evaluate applications on AWS under a variety of conditions. This advanced certification teaches you how to create and deploy scalable web applications on Amazon AWS servers, as well as how to choose the right service and power for your application. And the difficulty level is hard. And the skills required for this certification is familiarity with AWS CLI, AWS APIs, AWS CloudFormation templates, and Windows and Linux environments, ability to provide best practice guidance on the architectural design across multiple applications and projects of the enterprise, ability to evaluate cloud application requirements, and ability to design a hybrid architecture using key AWS technologies. And here are the details you need to know before applying for the exam. Cost of examination is $300 with average annual salary of $118,266. The examination duration is 180 minutes with number of questions 75. Types of questions are multiple choice and multiple response questions with a passing score of 70%. And the renewal time is 2 years. And the top companies hiring are Amazon, Accenture, IBM, and Mindtree. So this was all about top 10 cloud certification in 2022. I think it will help you to make your decision more easier and firm for your future in cloud computing. So we have almost reached the end of this video. If I missed anything important, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video on Top 10 Cloud Certification 2022 and learned something new from it. If you liked this video, then please do hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates and videos from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.